everyone, this is Ina with innichkachef. Welcome to my kitchen. It's so hot in south and all we want to eat just light and quick meals, vegetables. We just went yesterday to Timsy farm. It's a local farm and we're going every year, multiply time a year, and we absolutely love it. My kids love to pick up tomatoes and they eat right away. They eat peppers. Even the owner of farm said it's a peppersicle. They start eating them from a stem. That was so cute. They just love fresh produce. And today I want to show you quick recipe for very easy and convenient. All ingredients you probably have, unless maybe one or two. Key ingredients, by the way. I will show you. Let me show you. So this is tomato sandwich, and as you see, I have 4 slices of bread. This is sourdough whole wheat bread, and I have a recipe on my website, sandwich size. This is different shape, but it's the same bread. It's a good bread, easy to make, by the way. I will link in description below. Another thing beside tomatoes, it's a tomato sandwich. We need key ingredients. It's a miso, white miso. Little bit, 1 teaspoon white miso, 2 teaspoons of honey, and 3 to 4 teaspoons of mustard, whole grain mustard, and some kind of fresh herb. I chose thyme because I absolutely love thyme. I have for the most of the time this herb available, so I like it. It goes well. If you don't have thyme, use oregano or some marjoram or some other hearty herbs, not like basil, something more that can handle the heat. Another ingredient we need crème fraiche or mascarpone cheese. I'm using homemade crème fraiche. It's wonderful. It's like labneh, except maybe more fat than labneh. And good parmesan. We need just a little bit to finish it up. And olive oil. Nothing unusual for this sandwich. So what we need, I like to drizzle a little bit with olive oil and place in a broil just for a few minutes. And keep eye on broil, can burn very quickly. And now to this beautiful cherry tomatoes, and we don't need a lot, about 12 ounces or so. Little bit of olive oil just to make them shiny and they will not stick to your baking sheet. And fresh thyme. And same thing, place in the oven just for a few minutes until they kind of break down the skin. It won't take too long. And now to the same bowl, I'm not going to wash bowl, add your mustard. Mustard gives little kick, right? And miso gives probiotic. You know how much I like probiotic. This is fermented soybeans, and in fact that's the only soy product I consume on daily basis. On occasion soy sauce I like to, but other than that we're not much soy people. And also for sweetness, honey, just a little bit, not a lot, kind of to enrich all those umami flavor which naturally occurs in tomatoes. And mix all together. And set aside. It's a super easy, quick recipe. It's kind of, in the summer, can be your go for sandwich for lunch or brunch or even light dinner with side salad. Why not? My kids absolutely love it. I love it. And it's easy to make and has probiotic, has protein, because miso does have protein. And in fact, I'm using crème fraiche. It's fermented cream, so that has probiotic as well. And I will link below in description how to make a crème fraiche if you're brave enough to make it, or use ricotta cheese, use mascarpone cheese if you don't have, or use labneh if you're available. It's a thicker Greek yogurt, I would call. It's a thick yogurt. So whatever is available, you can use in a dress. You can serve many ways. The bread is ready, nice and crusty. And I like to cool down, of course, before we're going to apply crème fraiche, because crème fraiche, any other cream will melt immediately, kind of like whipped cream or butter. So we like to cool down while our tomatoes still. As soon your tomatoes start breaking skin here and there, you don't need to cook all the way. It's done. I think bread for this open face sandwich will cool down faster if I move to the plate. And miso, as I mentioned, it's my so much go for ingredients. I cannot even imagine to live without miso. And in the past, I incorporate miso even to mashed potato, and I will link below this recipe. Also miso glazed mahi fish and some soup, Japanese, and many other recipes. I absolutely love use miso even for my salad dressing sometimes. You see, as soon as you see they are burst and give some color, slightly brown color, and the skin start become wrinkles. That's great. That's all I want. So now these tomatoes, they're willing, they will accept the dressing, kind of. That's what we made. Kind of a dressing. So they will absorb more flavor and enrich more umaminess. And meanwhile, I would like to add a little more of thyme. Why not, if I have? Never can be too much thyme. Scrape all the flavor. Don't leave anything behind. Now add just a little bit of black pepper and a little bit of salt. Not a lot, because miso is salty enough. And now we're adding this dressing. Nice and soft. They're not cooked, but they're not raw. So now we have all components. Our crème fraiche. In fact, these sandwiches can be cut cute in nice crostini, mini crostini or crostini size sandwiches, which is I would cut few ways and serve like bite-sized sandwiches, some for some party or some like a light hors d'oeuvre. I'm sure my children will call this sandwich pizza because everything for them it's a pizza. Sometimes simple food can be delicious. And here you go. You see how easy, delicious, quick recipe that doesn't require much time or ingredients. Super simple. You can sub different bread as you wish. You can use different herbs or different cheese. Use ricotta cheese, more available, and enjoy. Let's see. yes. I think if I would eat this sandwich with my side salad for lunch, I'll be very happy. I hope you enjoy this video and I hope you give it a try and use those tomatoes. You may have too many on your garden and you are maybe tired to eat as it is. Give it a try with this tomato open face sandwich, cherry tomatoes open face sandwich, and enjoy summer in your plate. Give me a like, subscribe, share with your friends, family, and cook everything from scratch. Bye, see you next time.